Okay guys, so now in this third part of this video, we're going to change the term to this Impact Windows and Impact Doors factory. And it says 45 years experience freeing home estimates. This is all their advertising, so I'm going to read all their history. So let's get started. Hurricane Impact Windows and Impact Doors, Florida. Palm Beach, Broward, Miami-Dade, Martin, St. Lucie on the East Coast. Sarasota, Lee, Charlotte, and Collier counties on the West Coast. And it says, based in Palm Beach, Florida, Wright Impact's Window and Door believes that the customer comes first. Our helpful and friendly team will take care to make sure that your experience is trouble-free. We install impact windows and impact doors of the highest quality and stand by all of our products offering unbeatable guarantees. They cover all of South Florida, and it says, well, I'm going to read it this way. They cover all of South Florida from their Palm Beach location, Broward, Miami-Dade, all the way up to St. Lucie and Martin County, and across the county to Naples and Collier County. And this is all the windows, all the factories. And it says, protect your home from storms and intruders. Save money on energy bills and insurance. It says, Wright Impact Window and Door want to help you protect your home and your family from both storms and intruders. We offer a full range of both hurricane windows and hurricane doors in South Florida, in Serpents, Palm Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and all the way down to Miami. Our impact windows and doors are made in Florida with the best materials. All of our products are designed to withstand 200 plus mile-per-hour winds. That's incredible. While also combining function and style. Protect your home from hurricanes, storms, and intruders. Save money on monthly bills and improve the looks of your home. And they said, and this is Windor, higher performance doors and windows, PGD, which is in Venice, CGI, which is in Doral, and Therma-Tru doors. I don't know where it is. And it said, here at Wright's, we work with the best impact window and impact door manufacturers, and only choose to work with companies with long-standing reputations and excellence. These companies work alongside our installers to provide you with the unrivaled service at low prices. The prices of our hurricane windows compare favorably with any competitor in Palm Beach, Broward, Miami-Dade, and the whole of South Florida. And it says also, quality impact windows, products made to last. We stand by all the products we sell and all of our installations. We choose only the highest quality manufacturers, most of which are produced in Florida. We adhere to the strictest building codes found in the state, and because of this, we offer unparalleled guarantees in customer service, fully transferable lifetime guarantee. Their guarantees are unrivaled and fully transferable to anyone that purchases your home, adding massive value to your property. And they said the benefits of hurricane impact windows and doors. Along with peace of mind, there are several benefits to upgrading your home with impact windows and impact doors. These benefits include, number 1, increased energy efficiency. Our windows and doors will keep the cool air in your home and the hot air outside, reducing your cooling costs during the blistering Florida summers. Reduced homeowners insurance cost. You could save up to 45% on your monthly premiums for making all of the changes to keep your home safe during a windstorm. Intruder protection. Another added benefit to installing impact windows and doors is that they are much better at keeping out intruders. If a hurricane can't break in, then a would-be intruder certainly can't either. Increased home value. Hurricane doors and windows are a great selling feature for properties in South Florida. Making these upgrades to your home will increase the value of your property. Impact windows, Florida impact doors, Florida impact windows, Palm Beach, Broward, Miami, Sarasota. So I'm going to move right now to the hurricane impact windows. And they said like this: protect your home with hurricane impact windows. This is all the products that they have. They said best impact windows to install. Wright's impact window and door only select the best products for our customers. We only install impact windows and doors that have a Miami-Dade County notice of acceptance. There are testing standards set by the American Society for Testing and Materials that a product must comply with before a window is certified as being impact resistant. This is one of the most stringent testing requirements in the country. It is stated in Florida Building Code that all properties that fall with the design windborne debris region of Florida must have hurricane protection on all windows and doors in the form of impact rated products or shutters. Benefits of installing hurricane impact windows. Deciding to install hurricane impact windows is making a step towards a safer home. The windows can withstand the force of a hurricane. In doing so, they can keep your home safe from wind and water damage. However, there are many other benefits to installing hurricane windows. Here are a few of them. And this is all the pictures. Beautiful pictures, guys. This is so beautiful. Peace of mind. Whether or not your home is on a path of a hurricane, impact windows can give you a peace of mind. You don't need to worry about the safety of you or your home. Instead, you can sleep well at night knowing that you did everything that you can to provide the ultimate protection to your home. Protection from the elements. Of course, one of the most notable benefits of installing hurricane windows is the protection factor. Hurricane windows undergo extensive testing. This testing puts them through some of the hardest conditions. If the windows can withstand those conditions, they can withstand a hurricane. These tests go up to 150 miles per hour. Well, they now go to 180 miles per hour. They can go like that. And it says like this: in a storm, hurricane windows protect your home from the elements. One of the most common issues during a hurricane is water damage. However, hurricane windows can prevent water damage. They are unlikely to break and unlikely to allow water to enter your home. Additionally, these windows can prevent your home from wind damage. If a window can withstand a hurricane, then that window could break. That's simple logic. This breakage causes a change in pressure that could destroy your home. Your hurricane windows are one of the keys to keeping your home safe during a storm. Wright's impact window and door can give your home the ultimate protection. And let's move to impact doors. Your hurricane impact doors are the portal into your home. For that reason, they play a big part in your home's safety. Hurricane impact doors can protect your home from the elements and intruders, and they can still leave you with an aesthetically pleasing design. Here at Wright's Impact Window and Door, they can help you find and install a door that offers both style and protection. But these are the benefits. The benefits of hurricane impact doors. It says, there are many reasons that people chose to install hurricane impact doors. Although most individuals choose these doors for their safety, there are other reasons to use hurricane impact doors. Find out why you should consider working with us at Wright's to install hurricane doors in your home. Number 1 is the most common, the most logical. It is the most logical point. Benefit. The most logical benefit is that save more money. One of the most significant benefits of installing hurricane doors is the savings you get. That saving comes in a few forms. For one, it comes in the form of energy savings. When you use hurricane doors, you keep the air inside your home from getting out. As a result, the cold air from your AC unit doesn't exit your home, giving you savings on your energy bill every month. Savings also come to you in the form of your home's selling price. When you're ready to sell your home, your hurricane doors can be a good selling point. Sellers are often willing to pay more for homes with hurricane impact doors. It saves them from having to do the work themselves. Finally, savings also could come in the form of homeowners insurance. If you install both hurricane doors and windows in your home, then your insurance company might lower your rate. This insurance savings mean you end up with more money in your pocket. Excuse me. Number 2, protection from intruders. Of course, protection is the number one reason for installing hurricane doors. Hurricanes can be devastating, but a house with hurricane doors has protection in a hurricane. With doors designed to withstand high winds, your home will be less likely to suffer from damage. Wind and water will be kept outside of your home, protecting your property from storms and bad weather. Will impact doors protect you from an intruder? Impact doors from Wright's Impact Window and Door also protect you from intruders. Our high-quality glass doors are also made to withstand impacts regardless of the source. Hurricane doors make your home more difficult for a burglar to target. By offering all of this protection, impact doors give you peace of mind. During hurricane season, you can rest easy knowing that your home is safe. Throughout the year, you can take comfort in knowing that intruders can't easily access your home. But these are the types of here.